Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create 2 or 3 column layout form in Elementor free version without using Elementor Pro plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard and we are going to install plugin and we are not using Elementor Pro plugin. And we are going to create form using widget. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write cool form kit lite. So this is plugin cool form kit lite Elementor form builder we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Then on left side you see search widget, so write here cool. So this is form widget, cool form kit form we are using, so drag and drop here. So this widget is same like Elementor Pro form plugin widget. Mostly functionality is same like Elementor Pro form. Now you see form name, email, message, label, required mode, enable, and then you see button. So you can do styling according to requirement. Now you see action after submit, so click on it. Now you see email. So you can add email, subject, message, from email, from name. Now on top you see style, so click on it. Now you see column gap, row gap, you see multiple option. So you can set color scheme and styling according to requirement. Now you see field. Now you see text color, typography, button. So you can set button normal scheme or our color scheme according to requirement. So you can set padding also. So it's up to you. Now on top you see content. So click on it. So we are going to create 2 column or 3 column layout. Now you see name. So click on it. Now you see column width. Now make it 50%. Now expand email. Again you see column width, now 50%. So this is our 2 column layout. Now you see column gap. If you want you can reduce. Now you see column gap. So it's up to you. And then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our 2 column layout for Elementor free version form. Now you see. Now activate mobile layout. So this is our mobile layout also. Now you see. Now back to form. So we are going to create 3 column. Now duplicate. Now make it 33%. Now you see 3 column layout. Click on publish. Now publish done. Go to form page. Open again. Now you see this is our 3 column layout. Now go to mobile layout again. Now on mobile you see this is a 3 column layout also. Now back to form builder again. If you want to display column or field width 100% for mobile layout, now go to mobile layout. So this is a mobile layout, but on front end you see there is a issue on mobile layout. They show 2 column or 3 column width on mobile layout also. Now back to form builder. Now you see column width we sent 100%. Already set. But on front end you don't see mobile layout 100%. So we are going to fix it by using custom CSS. So this is our 2 column layout. This is our 3 column layout. But we are going to display column width or field width 100% on both. So we are going to add custom CSS. Go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. And you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see cool form field group. Maximum width 100% important, and we are going to apply this custom CSS maximum width screen 767 and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to form layout. So this is a 3 column. Refresh the page. Go to 2 column. Refresh the page. Now you see this is a mobile layout. When we set 2 column layout, now go to 3 column. So this is a mobile layout. When we set 3 column layout on desktop layout. But on mobile we are going to display 100% width by using this custom CSS. If you want to display 2 column layout or 3 column layout on mobile also, then you don't need this CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.